something, say something.
It's been nearly 2 months since the National Security Ministry fronted an anti-terrorism See Something, Say Something campaign. Even though the results of the campaign so far cannot be quantified, there remains a good number of people who have no clue whatsoever. There are a few others who feel the campaign is dead on arrival.
I believe God is the one protecting us, and He uses man to protect us. So as long as they've been chosen by the government to protect the borders, there is some trust in them, even though there are corrupt men among them.
It's a waste of our resources. Waste of our resources. Who should say something? What? Don't we have security people? I don't know, doing patrolling and stuff. I should say something and go and tell the world.
With the latest CHRAJ report, which ranks the Ghana Immigration Service the second in terms of bribe-taking, there are fundamental questions emerging and what the impact of this will be on the See Something, Say Something campaign.
If they want to let the law work, it will work. There are some people, they come in and they knew very well that this thing, if I get here, I'll be stopped. But he will still come. He has the guts and the audacity to come. When he gets there too, he knows how to manage the situation and then go through. So definitely it is here to stay, unless you get our phones to come and man those borders.
We're here today at the Ghana Immigration Service to speak to Chief Superintendent Amoakwatra. He is the Director of Public Affairs. He's been dispelling some of the findings by CHRAJ.
We've not really gotten the details of the full report and how they arrived at the conclusions that they have made. We need to take time, look at allegation or case by case, and find out whether it is really an immigration officer who has taken a bribe or has misconducted himself or herself. We should not just take an isolated case and generalize it to let it look like immigration officers are corrupt and that they are the second on an index. No. And it also does not mean that our borders are going to be compromised and our officers are going to allow themselves to be bribed by terrorists to enter the country to cause any mayhem. No.
Chief Superintendent Amoakwatra says the service takes a serious view of bribery allegations.
An allegation is made, but then the veracity of it is not proven. So if our position is based on mere allegations, then again I'll say that for us as an institution, we will not take it fully true that we deserve where we have been placed. Because a lot of allegations came, we investigated, and most of them were found not to be true. And even the few that were true, we took action immediately by interdicting some of them and all that.
For security analyst Adib Sani, the findings of CHRAJ cast a damning verdict on the nation's fight against crime.
If officials are corrupt, what it means is if they see something, they would have to take something rather than say something or take action. And that is quite disturbing. Unfortunately, See Something, Say Something has become an Accra thing. Go beyond Accra, nobody talks about it, nobody knows anything about it. The most dangerous of places, I mean, the border communities, Hamile, Guolu, Kokolegu, Paga, and the rest. You go there, ask how many people even have access to the internet. They don't know what's going on.
But just how can this perception be corrected?
We need to instill some sense of professionalism into officers. We just don't take them to train them how to shoot. We need to imbibe, that democratic bit of policing to the work they do, so they would get to understand the repercussions that might come with accepting bribes.
Well, it may be a damning verdict on the work of the security services, but it does not take away the need for citizens to contribute their quota towards the fight against crime. And so if you see something, you must definitely say something, not take something.
If you see something, say something.
If you see something,